welcome back home, the home of science and maths. Uncle Pythagoras is signing in. So this is going to happen. We are doing grade 12. We are revising the number pattern from grade 11. Then we are enforcing the number pattern from grade 11 to 12 because it is still needed in this grade 12. So the question says, consider the following pattern: 6, 13, 22, 33, and so on. The first question says, show that it is a quadratic number pattern. The second question wants us to write down the next two terms of the number pattern. Then the last one says, hence find the nth term as well as the 100th term. Right, the first one is show that it is a quadratic pattern. How do we show it? We must find the first difference, then find the second difference. If the second difference is going to be constant, therefore we conclude by saying it is a number pattern. Right, the first difference is going to be 13 minus 6, 7, 13 minus 22, it's 9, 22 minus 33, 33 minus 22 rather, it's 11. This is our first difference. Then we go for the second difference. If the second difference is going to be common, then we will conclude by saying this is a quadratic pattern. Right? 9 minus 7 is 2. 11 minus 9 is 2. This is our second difference. Then we answer in. Then this is a quadratic number pattern. Right. Number B want us to calculate, write down the next two terms of the number pattern. The next two terms is 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the next one will be 5 and 6. So they want us to find 10, 5 and 10, 6. Right? Before we can do everything, we are going to equate this number to be equals to 2a. Then we are going to equate this number to be equals to 3a plus b. Then we equate this number to be equals to a plus b plus c. Now we start here. 2a is equals to 2, therefore a is equals to 1. Right? We find b, 3a plus b is equals to 7, then 3 times 1 plus b is equals to 7, b is equals to 7 minus 3, we take that 3 in there from the left hand side to right hand side, then b is equals to 7 minus 3, it's 4. Then we find c, a plus b plus c, which is this one, is equals to 6. Then c is equals to 6 minus, we take a that side, minus a minus b that side, which is 6. A was 1 minus 1, b is 4 minus 4. So c is going to be 6 minus 1, which is 5, minus 4 is 1. C is 1. Then we can continue to answer the question. The question wants us to write down the next two terms of the number pattern. Then We use the formula for quadratic formula number pattern. It is going to be an squared plus bn plus c. So your a is 1, your n is term number 5. N is 5 squared plus b is 4. 4 times 5 plus c. C is 1. Now we find that 1 times 5 squared is 25. 4 times 5 is 20 plus 1. Then 25 plus 20 is 45 plus 1, 46. Term number 5 is 46. Then term number 6 is going to be 1 multiplied by 6 squared plus b. Your b is 4 in this case. 4 multiplied by 6 plus c. Your c is 1. Then 6 squared is 36. 4 times 6 plus 24 plus 1, which is 36 plus 24 is 60 plus 1 is 61. Then the question says find the next two terms of the pattern. The next two terms of the pattern are going to say T5 is equals to 46. T6 is equals to 61. Right, the last one, the last question says want us to find, hence find the nth term as well as the 100th term. We find the nth term that was root B, yes. See the nth term and the 100th term. Okay, we find the nth term. Nth term is going to be Tn equals to n an squared plus bn plus c. Then your n, your a is 1, multiply that by n squared plus your b was 4, times n, c was 1. The c was 1. Then your Tn is going to be n squared plus 4n plus 1. We have found the nth term, then let's find the 100th term. T number 100 is equals to an squared plus bn plus c, which is going to be 1 multiplied by 100 squared plus 4 times 100 plus 1, which is 100 squared is 10,000. 400, 4 times 100 is 400 plus 1. 1,000 plus 400 plus 1 is, 10,000 plus 400 plus 1 is 10,401. We are done. Now this is to reinforce your grade 11 number pattern system. We are going to grab the last one so that we can reinforce everything done. Go and practice this. The question is starting here. You take this and then you continue. Make sure that you do everything according to Uncle Pythagoras has done. Then you will be set. Right? Do not forget to like, subscribe and share the videos so that everyone is going to be covered and no one must be left out. Right, the next question still deals with the same quadratic pattern. It says that the constant second difference of the quadratic number pattern is 2, which is 4 x 8 y 20. The second difference is going to be 2 of this pattern. Now A, they want us to find the value of x and y. Second question, want us to find which term equals 125. Right. Here we are going to work hard, a little bit more complicated. So we start by saying A plus B plus C is equals to 4, because we were given that this is a quadratic pattern. Right? The second one, it is going to be 3A plus B will be equals to the number that we are going to find here as a first difference. X 8 y 20. Right. The first difference here is going to be x minus 4. The second difference is going to be 8 minus x. The other difference is going to be y minus 8, followed by 20 minus y. Now, this is equals to 2. We're given that this is equals to 2. Then, no, this is not the second difference. This is the first difference. This is your first difference. This is not the one that is equals to 2. The one that will be equals to 2 is the one that we are doing right now. It is going to be 8 minus x minus 4. This is the one that is equals to 2. It is equals to 2a. This is the first difference. The second difference will be this y minus 8 minus 8 minus x. Then we come to this one. Say 20 minus y minus 8. Right. This is the one that is equals to 2. This is the one that equals to 2. Now, in order for us to find x and y, we use that 2 as x minus 8 minus x. This one minus x minus 4 is equals to 2. This one is 2, this one is 2, this one is 2. But for convenience sake, we're going to take this one to find the value of x first. Now it's 8 minus x plus 4 is equals to 2. This is the like terms. 8 plus 4 is 12 minus 2x is equals to 2. Now we take 2x to the other side of the equation. It was negative, it is going to be positive. 2x is equals to, take 2 this side, which is going to be 12 minus 2. We have taken this 2x, that side is going to be positive 2x. We leave this 12 here. We take this one, the 2, this side is going to be 12 minus 2. Now 2x is equals to 12 minus 2, it's 10. Then x is equals to 5. We can find y from this. You say y minus 8 minus x is a common difference which was given to be equals to 2. Then y minus 8 plus x is equals to 2. Then we find the value of y to be y minus 8 and minus 8 is 16. Y is equals to 2. We take this 8 that side, it was negative, it is going to be plus 16. The x was negative, was positive, when it gets that side will be minus x. Now that we have calculated the value of x, we can plug in the value of x here and we find y. Y is going to be 2 plus 16, it's 18, minus 5. 18 minus 5 is 13. So your y is 13. We have answered the first question. It says find the value of x and y. X is 5, y is 13. Now we find which term equals to 125. We are going to find that. Which term is going to be equals to 125. Before we can find which term is going to be, we find A, B, and C. So our A is 2A here. 2A is equals to this part. 2A is equals to 2. This difference, this whole part is 2. This one. Then A is equals to, let's divide by 2 here so that you will see that A is equals to 1. Then our B is 3A plus B is equals to X minus 4. Then we want the value of B. Then B is equals to X minus 4. Take this 3A, that side is going to be minus 3A. Now we find the value of X is 5. You plug the 5 here, minus 4, minus 3. Your A was calculated to be 1. Now B is going to be 5, minus 4, minus 3. 5 minus 4 is 1. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Then our B is minus 2. Then C comes from this one. A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C is equals to 4. Then your A is 1. Your B is minus 2. Then we can find C. C will be equals to 2. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Plus C is equals to 4. And then C is equals to 4, take this minus 1 that side, it is going to be plus 1, then C is going to be 5. Now, we find which term equals to 125. Which term is equals to 125? Right. 125 is equals to A is 1 multiplied by n squared plus our B is minus 2 and C is 5 plus 5. Now it's 125 is equals to n squared minus 2n plus 5. This 125, we take it that side of the equation, we are left with 0 here. It's n squared minus 2n plus 5 minus 125, which is n squared minus 2n plus minus 120. Right, we factorize this. The factors of 120 that is going to be given when you add or subtract them is going to give us a what? A 2 is going to be 10 times 12, then 12 minus 2, 12 minus 10 is 2. Now the factors is 10 and 12. Then n minus it's 10 and 12. The factors, this says that they are not the same, they are different. The bigger one must have a negative. So 12 is bigger than 10. N minus 12 is equals to 0, or n plus 10 is equals to 0. Then n is equals to 12, or n is equals to minus 10. This one does not exist. You cannot have a negative term, you have a positive term. Therefore, T12 is equals to 125. You are done. Right? Now go and practice grade 12. Practice everything that you know about the quadratic formula. Most of the things that they are going to ask you are the relevant questions that are in the quadratic form. You must know your first difference. You must know your first difference or second difference. Second difference is common, remember? Then if it is common, then you use this A plus B plus C, you equate it to the first number of the sequence. Then the difference of this, the first number that you get, you equate it to 3A plus B. Then the last, which is the second difference, you equate it to 2A, then you find the value of A, B, and C, then you calculate everything. Or you find the variable first that is required, then after the variables, then you come and find the value of A, B, and C, then everything will fall into place. Thank you very much, grade 12. I hope that you are going to enjoy this and you are going to practice. Make sure that you practice, because after here you are going straight to write the first exam, which is going to be on March. Yes, you are going to write on March, so everything is going to be inclusive. So if you find any difficulties, inbox me. You go to the comment section, then you tell me all that you want me to help you with. That comes in free of charge. You just subscribe, like, and comment. or share to other learners who do not have Uncle Pythagoras. I thank you very much.